How to blur background in CapCut. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today I'm going to teach you guys how you can blur background in CapCut. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, open your CapCut application and tap on New Project. Now select the clip where you want to blur the background. Again, select the video and from the bottom of the toolbox, search for duplicate option. Click on it and video will be copied. Again, from the toolbox, click on overlay option. After that, again go back to the beginning of the clip. Click on the effects option from the toolbar. Again, click on video effects. Now under the lens option, here you will see the blur effect. Click on it. Click on check mark and now extend the blurring effect all the way through the length of the main clip. Come back to the main menu and click on overlay option. Here you will see the extra clip earlier we have added on our video. Now drag the video to the beginning of the main clip. Now select the overlaid clip and search for the remove BG option at the toolbar. Click on it and again here you will see three different options. Click on auto removal option. And with that the background will be removed. And now you have successfully blurred the background in CapCut. Just click on the check mark option and that's it. So that's all for the video. In this easy and simple way you can blur background in CapCut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.